Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to automatically start EC2 instance using Lambda functions and CloudWatch event scheduler. So basically, when you create a EC2 instance, uh, so we can stop manually and we can start manually, right, using console. So using Lambda function based on schedulers or manually how we need to start and stop. Those things we will discuss now. Let me open AWS Console. So for this one, we need to create IAM role. Basically, how we are doing to start instances. So we can select and go to instance state and we will start, right. So now the same thing using Lambda function, we are doing automation. So for this one, what we need to do, we need to create a IAM role to provide permissions for each instance and if you want to see the logs, you just need to provide CloudWatch as well. So events uh, to check whether it is working properly or not. Event logs also we just need to see. So for that one, first we will create IAM role, IAM, then we can attach that role to the Lambda function. So before that, I just need to create a IAM policy. My policy should be have EC2 instance and CloudWatch events. Create policy and I am attaching that policy to the um, IAM role. So we can create a policy in two ways. One is UI, Visual Editor, another one is JSON. So if you want, you can select the service, CloudWatch events, CloudWatch logs, and which logs you need. If you want all logs, all log actions, you can select this one. And resource type, if you have any specific resource, you can select or if you wanted to all the resource, you just need to select all the resource. Same way, if you wanted to do another service actions, you just need to select service EC2. So here actions, I just need to do start and start instance or stop instance. For this resource, specific resource or any all resource. If you have any specific resource, you just need to select the ARN and you just need to provide the region and instance ID you just need to provide. If you have all resources, you just need to select. Okay, this is one way, and you just need to create tag next. You just need to select next, and you have to provide the tag name and policy name. There is one more way. You just need to, if you have JSON ready, see if, even if you select it right, it will be created the same. So we can create in two ways. So I have JSON ready for this policy, create policy. Here I am using list of objects. One is for CloudWatch events, another one is CloudWatch logs, another one is EC2 instance. So here I am selecting start and stop and describe. Same way here create log and create log group, log stream and put log events. Now tags. If you have, you just need to provide the name EC2 start top policy review, name, description you can provide. See, it will show you the summary. If you want, you can add one more event. You can add one more resource services like SNS, anything if you want later also, and create policy. Now policy is ready. Now you just need to create a role. Create role. So you just need to use case for this one is Lambda. Next, you can select your policy, EC2 start stop policy. Next, role name, EC2 start stop role. Create role. Role is created. EC2 start stop role. Now we just need to go to Lambda functions. So create function, EC2 start. The function name I'm giving EC2 start, and runtime using Python. Permissions, you just need to select existing role. The role name, you just need to provide EC2 start stop role and create function. And you can write the function here. So my function is already ready with me. So start instances. So here I'm importing the importing photo 3 and using region, which region? Uh, I'm in US East region. The instances, currently I have 3 instances, and we are declaring the client EC2 and region, and defining the function and the event, and we are printing that instances. Here instances is this one, and we are calling that EC2 dot instances, and we are printing that one. So now I'm deploying this one. Now if you want to test this one, just provide the name EC2 start. If you want shareable, and save or private. Now if you test, it is started successfully, giving the starting the instances. And if you observe in the instances, it is stopped right now. If you click, it is pending. It is going to be start the instances. We are not selecting and the instance and the instance state start. We are not selecting this instance start instance option from UI, but through Lambda function, we are going to be triggered. Now it is running successfully. So you can see the logs as well. If you go monitor or CloudWatch directly, it will be created a log event. See CloudWatch, you logs in CloudWatch. It is created a log group. See EC2 start and the log stream. It is created. So if your Lambda function failed or syntax error anything, you can able to see here. This is for start the start function to start the EC2 instances. Same way, you can create one more function for stop the EC2 instances. Functions, create function, EC2 stop, and runtime is Python. I'm using the same role, existing role, EC2 start stop role, create function. Now you can use the code, this one. Only the change is in stop start. Here we are using EC2 dot stop. We are stop instances. This is the attribute we are using. Now you can deploy. Now currently EC2 instances are running. So if you want to stop from using Lambda function, you just need to test this one, EC2 stop. It is running successfully. Now if you observe, see it is going to be stopping. So we are not manually doing to start stop instance and start instances. Using Lambda function, we trigger this event. Now it is stopped. Currently, we are doing Lambda function manually, we are triggering. I don't want this one, so I want it to be automatically trigger these events based on schedulers. So you just need to write a cron job and you can schedule this Lambda event. It automatically will trigger this one. So you can do add trigger. If you have trigger CloudWatch events, you can create new rule, and rule name you can provide the cron expressions and it will show here. So rule name EC2 start rule. Description, if you want you can provide the description. Schedule patterns. Now you can provide the scheduler. Now if you want to check the time, AWS will follow the GMT time or UCT, same, both are same. Now currently time is 119, 19 seconds, 1 o'clock. This is the seconds. So in the cron expression, the first one is minutes, second one is, if you observe, first one is minutes, second one is hours, and day of the month, and month of the year, and the day of the week. So week means if it is Sunday, start with 0, and Monday 1, and Saturday 6, like that. So now 22 means 23 seconds, 01, 23, 1 o'clock, and November 16th, today date, 11th month, year. See, if your cron expression is valid, you don't see any error. Now 23 seconds. Now 21, right? 23. It is going to be hit this one. Add. Add trigger. We have already added. And destination. I'll show you in CloudWatch. If you go to events, rules, CloudWatch, the same we can do here. The only change is, see, it will going to be trigger now. Actions, edit. You just need to add target. So target is EC2 start. Update rule. Now currently EC2 instances are in stop. 123. It is going to be start. So you just need to wait. Here GMT or UCT, the time zone is same. UTC time. See this one same. Now if you see, it is going to be pending, so it is going to be start automatically. So we are not triggering that Lambda function manually. So using scheduler, it is going to be running this instance. See, my instances are running. Same way, if I wanted to stop particular time, my EC2 instance going to be stopped. Suppose in the evening time, so automatically my EC2 instance stop at per particular time. Uh, so that time you can use this cron job. Now to test this one, you can go to CloudWatch and create rule for stop one, stop instances, scheduler. Same scheduler you can use whatever, cancel, start events. Now 23 we have given, right? So now time is 27. We have, can keep rules, create rule, scheduler, cron expression. So 27. See, next 10 triggers dates it is showing for today. 10 127 it is going to be stop, and again, and these dates it is going to be stop, and add targets, stop instances, configure, and you just need to provide EC2 stop, enable, create rule. Now 125, right? 127 my EC2 instances is going to be stop automatically. So like this, you can write the cron jobs automatically. It should be up. Suppose if you wanted to stop your instances on weekend, right? So At midnight, it will be stop, and Saturday, Sunday. And if you wanted to start the your EC2 instance in particular hour like early morning 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock, so this is the cron job you just need to use. As I said, first one is minutes, and second one is hours, and day of the month, and the month of the year means November, right? We are giving 11, and next month of the day of the week, which day? Like today is Wednesday, right? So if you wanted to stop, you just need to provide today date. If you mean star means all, it will be taking all. And if you wanted to stop particular time, you just need to provide the same, and you have to provide the day of the week. Now if you check, time zone is 127. If you refresh, see it is going to be stop your instances automatically. Even we have attached the func triggers, right? So in the easy to start, we have added CloudWatch event bridge. Now same way it is created for CloudWatch event bridge. It is going to be trigger automatically, and you can able to see the logs as well. Monitor, if you observe logs, CloudWatch log events, it is going to be created two events. One is for start, another one is stop. So you can check the logs how many times it is going to be trigger as of now, and for the stop instances as well. So you can write the cron event rules and attach this rule to the CloudWatch. That's all about in this session. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.